Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be unboxing a very important garden item, and I will also be talking about its use in the garden and will touch upon the various functionalities present in this product. For those who have guessed this already, well and good, but for those who haven't, here we go. So this is the product. It is a pesticide sprayer with a long nozzle. You would remember that I had asked you on my community page on what I should purchase online next, and you all voted for this instead of the goat manure, both of which I had been contemplating on buying. So I have purchased this for 600 something Indian rupees, and I did not want a very big one, so I purchased this medium sized sprayer, all of 3 liters. I thought of purchasing this because my old sprayer could not get to the bottom of the leaves where we find most of these pests, for example the whiteflies and also some other pests. Now let us look at the different parts this comes with and how to work with them. So firstly, this is the cap, and you can rotate it like this, the direction of which is given on it. And this is the piston with which you pump in air and release the liquid. Up next we have this flexible tube and this hard tube, and it also comes with this nozzle. First, fit in the hard tube into the flexible one like this and add the nozzle at the end of the hard tube. Now this is how you close the cap. You have to insert the piston and then rotate it to close it tightly. Now to open just the piston, move it to a groove area in the cap and pull up and down to create vacuum. Another interesting feature is that this has this black belt here with which you can hang this on your shoulders and it becomes easier to carry. Now let us put this in action. So here I will be using neem oil pesticide of no known proportion. I will hopefully make an extensive video on neem oil pesticide, its uses, its application in another episode. Now add water into this as per the scale found on the container. You can mix the concoction inside either with a long stick like this or just shake the container. I love the fact that this comes with this funnel which prevents spillage. Close the lid and pump up the air with the help of this piston here and start spraying your plants. So you can see this sprays the undersides of the plant with so much ease compared to this one. This drenches the plant thoroughly and the pesticides gets to all the nooks and corner of the plant, thereby making our lives as gardeners much easier. I'm definitely recommending this to you if you, like me, find it difficult to spray the undersides of your plant. This is definitely worth the buy. With this, we have come to the end of this episode. So thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore. If you liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. So until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.